Okay, so in the last lecture, we were able to write the functionality that will allow us to add categories to our category table in our database. So all we need to do right now is to create the form that will allow us to add such categories. Okay, so back to the index.php, I'm gonna make a save as, Control Shift S, and I'm gonna call it category.php. Okay, so category.php, and probably we'll just call it add underscore category.php. Okay, so this is gonna be adding categories. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of some of the stuffs. I'll just change to the PHP. Okay, and change this to category, and this to category. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of all these stuffs. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of it, and probably this also. Get rid of it, and let's see where it ends. This and this. Okay, I'll get rid of this. Okay, so actually I'll just get rid of everything like this. So let's create our form. Okay, so write our form. The method is going to be a post method. The action is going to submit to itself, and let's create a div with a class of form group, and we have our input type of text. The name is going to be cat underscore title. For our category title, we have a placeholder of category. Okay, and the last one is going to be the class. We have form control. Okay, so all these are bootstrap classes. You don't need to freak out about it. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this and paste it, and this is gonna be a type of submit. The name is gonna be add underscore cat for add category. The value is gonna be add category. The class btn primary. Okay, so I guess that's it. Probably just add a row, form. Okay, so let's try that out. Let's try it out. So I'm gonna go admin add underscore category dot php. Don't worry, later we're gonna add the links in the sidebar, but we also need to add another functionality for that to appear also. Okay, so let's see what we have. And we have this. Probably we should just add a class of container, and in this form we're going to add another class of column lg6. Okay, so it looks smaller. I'm going to refresh, and let's see what we have. Okay, so we have a smaller form. Let's just add a h3. Okay, and add category. Okay, so that's it. So I'm going to open my PHP tiles right here, but before then we need to instantiate the category class. So back to our pages, now header.php, where we're including the user. Let's also include the category. So this is going to be category.php, and let's instantiate it right here. So copy, paste, and I'll say cat underscore obj and new category, connection and user, same thing that we're passing right there. Okay, so I'll just make this look good. All right, so let's write an if statement. So if is set $sign underscore post, I want to grab the add underscore cat, Okay, so then let's write the function. Okay, so cat underscore obj, then we're gonna add category. Okay, I guess that was the function, add category, and it's gonna take in a single parameter. So it's gonna take in $ underscore post cat underscore title. Okay, all right, so okay, let's just do that, and I'll click on cancel, and let's try that out. Refresh, and let's add a category. Okay, so the first category I'm gonna give is let's go with trending now. Okay, probably just turn off this auto completion. So auto complete off, save, come back, refresh. And I wish you guys were here. You would have given me some ideas, some categories we should use. So I'll just go with the first one I have right now in my brain. So finance, actually if I can spell that properly, finance, add, and if we get no errors, then that means it works. So let's head back to our category, our database rather. I said category, and we didn't even save it. Wow, then we should have an error. So let's click on save. That was a big error that we should have seen that coming. Okay, so that should save, and I'm gonna click on it. Actually, click on structure and click on browse. Just click on the category since browse is not available. Okay, so let's try that out once more. So I'm gonna refresh, continue, and let's see if it works out. Sorry. So I'm gonna hit browse, loading, and yeah, so it works. Okay, so we have finance right here. Okay, so let's add few more, like trending now. So the news that are trending now, you know um add one more before I end this lecture. So let's just go with international news. Okay, so if I head back to my database and refresh, you should get them. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 finance, trending now, international news. Okay, maybe along the line we're going to add more, but at least we know that the functionality is working. So in the next lecture we're going to create a table, then following that lecture we're going to write the functionality to display the categories. Okay, so I'll see you then.